guys. So this, just I'm gonna make it as short as I can. I'm gonna be talking primarily to Mickey, Rocky, you as well, mate, because you need to start trading. I think you need the confidence of getting some victories under your belt consistently, Rocky. Same with you, Mickey. Okay, so I mean, I'm gonna be talking about the go with the flow because that's basically what this video is. Go with the flow. 3-0s basically. Okay, the only 2-1 you should be interested in against the flow. Must have a golden ticket set up. Absolute must. That if you make Mickey, if you make that your the reversal criteria, then I don't think you go far wrong. Okay, mate. Um, so, quick look at a few doodads from this week. Look, McKee, 3-0 here, winner. 3-0 here, winner. This one here, it's getting a bit closer, you see it there. 3-0 winner here, 3-0 winner, 3-0 winner. Even this one, this is one of them here, where it's not in between the lines, and it's not on the HABB band. But look at the numbers, Mickey, look at the huge numbers. I see, if I'm here, and I see this flash 14, then I'm in, because I know that my momentum at 14, right, is definitely not going to flip back to green 2, 3, 4. Okay, when it's 14, that's a lot of people putting trades on down. Okay, and that's why I take these when they're not in between the lines here or the HABB bands, right, is because of the high volume. Okay, high numbers. All right, now have a look over here, Mickey. Look, these here up. No, this one here would have been a 2-1 up. Okay, did it have golden ticket setup? Yes. You understand? So because, again, what you could say, Mickey, is you're not going to take a trade against the flow until you've got rule 2 in. Okay, you had a 15 white, you closed above the 15-minute orange line, so you could have said, right, okay, then I can attempt this 2-1. Okay, that is huge. Igor uses rule 2 for all his trading. Okay, so in other words, if he hasn't got rule 2, because he won't uh, trade that against. Basically, he needs rule 2 for his direction. So you look here, he's got rule 2, so he's pull back, bang, pull back, bang. Okay, here, rule 2, pull back, bang. Okay, so you can have that as well if you like. There was your first 3-0 there. Okay, it's just you're just gonna make yourself, Mickey, Rocky, mechanical. You become mechanical, and you'll just be clicking, knowing that eventually these will win. Okay. Yeah, I think that was about it on there. Let's look at another quick one. Again, look at these 3-0s here. 3-0, 3-0. All these here down. 3-0s, 3-0s. That one again. I think that was that last trade I've just shown you there. Okay. Or was it? No, it was a different day. Anyway, it was late in after session that, but still, the 3-0s were working in after session. Is that about it? I think. And on to the next one again. Look at the 3-0s. Mickey. A move that strong, going like that, right, it's going to take more than a 1-hour blue to turn it. Probably needs the 4-hour blue. Okay, the good thing about the just trading 3-0s, Mickey, is even if you're in here, right, this one, and it hasn't won, momentum flips on you there, because you had this here, right, you just say, right, okay, I'm out, and then you've got to wait for 3-0s again. Okay, all right. That wasn't a 3-0 there, you see, because that was red. maybe that was red as well, but definitely the line was red, so you wouldn't have taken that one. Okay, if of anything there, you were looking at a 2-1 down if that was green at the time. Sorry, red at the time. Okay, if not, just look elsewhere. You had a 3-0 here. Bang. Okay, 3-0 here. Bang. 3-0 there. Mickey, Rocky. Okay. One other thing I will say, right, if you're gonna go just to try and get some wins under your belt, right, do what Hans is doing. Look for 6 pips. Right, you've seen the success Voz is having with this, right? How confident do you, Mickey and Rocky, think Voz is at the moment? Okay, he's winning every single day. How confident do you think he is at the moment in that setup? And that's because he was only going for 6 pips, and he's getting those early wins in. Okay, you'll see it sometimes. They just, you're in, and then all of a sudden, mom flashes, like on this particular one here. You're in, mom flashes, bang, and you're out. Okay, we got another one to look at. Yep. Again, 3-0s, and then we have some kind of turnarounds here. So again, this one here you wouldn't have taken down there because it was a 2-1. Okay, you could have just left it and said, no, you know what, I'll leave it and wait for the 3-0s. It's entirely up to you. You will get the 3-0s eventually. If you're just going to wait for the 3-0s, then you might, Mickey, Rocky, you might get, throughout the course of the day, you might get, 4 or 5, right? Or on a really good running day, you could get a lot more. Okay, but what 4 or 5, 6 of these 6 pip trades will do is give you 30 to 36 pips minimum, right? And you'll be 4 or 5 nil. Okay, that's the thing, the nil, the 0. Winning your day, 4, 5, 0 losses. All week. That will be the confidence boost you need. Okay? Right. Now, I have picked a full week to look at, really. I'm going to be as quick as I can. We're just going to dance through them. All right? I'm going to go to the full week. This was Monday. You can see here, Monday, January the 8th. Okay. You see a pair with loads of yellows on like that, right? Don't trade it. Don't trade it. It's just, you are not gonna, you're gonna see 3-0s, but they might not work. Okay, you want movement. You want to see good what do we say? Plenty volume's one thing, but you want to see movement, a direction. Okay, so you might have waited, like with this one here. You could have said, no, I'm not taking it, I'm waiting. Now, it was a 3-0 by the looks of it. This one, 3-0 by the looks of it. Here might have been a 2-1 because that pushed up, so I have a feeling that label may have been up. Okay, but again, if you are mechanical with this and just say, no, I'm only taking 3-0s, then you're only going to take you're going to be avoiding that period where it's messy, for one, which is the major plus about only trading the 3-0s. We've got a 3-0 here now. GJ, we've got a 3-0 here. UJ. Okay, 3-0 here. GU up. Okay, there's one here. So because if you're only going to go for 6 pips, you can afford to wait for momentum. Right, because these moves will give 6 pips. There you go. There's your momentum here. Let's have a look. 61. You're in that. This one hasn't flashed yet, but keep an eye on it. As quick as possible. fact, I'll have to flip through, guys. I can't. I wanted to keep this. There we go. You see, 42 on that one. There you go. 42 went below that. There was the GU going. You see, it's a yellow bit. Bang. That one's probably won already. That one, depending on where you were in, because it shot up here. You see, to 17. Okay. Again, we'll just flick on and show you. This one's going. If it hadn't won here, 67, it went below 58, so probably won there. That one, 51 to 37, that one definitely won on the first attempt down there. Okay, the GU we said, you know, probably won. It went to 17 from away. It went 9 pips, so depending on when you got in there on that one. Okay. But this, you know, with your early entry, HA yellow, when momentum flashes, it's probably here somewhere where it flashed green. A couple of minutes later, bang, you know, it's won. Push on, and another one there. Yep, those two definitely there. Okay, and these are just 3-0s. All right, go on. Ooh, GU, wow, you know. Okay, you might have attempted this one, Mickey. Right, so let's have a look. It's hogging the 1 hour orange line. These I prefer when you've got a starting point of a BB band. You know, if you've got an LT BB band starting point, then the chances are it's going to go more. If you're at the 1 hour orange line, it can go either way, and this is why you're seeing wicks here. Because you may have left this, the UJ, alone based on where it was. Same with a GJ, you might not have taken that one down because it was at the 1 hour orange line. You know, you might even wait. Just hang on a minute, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. So yeah, where was that? So you might even wait till you get to a BB band. All right. But the setup, Mickey, Rocky, is a 3-0. Okay, just say to yourself, no, I'm not touching 2-1s. I'm 3-0s, right? And think 3-0s with rule 2. Avoid pairs with lots of yellows on, 5-minute yellows, 15-minute blues. As you can see, there's quite a few. Eventually, it will break. Okay, you will break out, and the 3-0s will become very, very clear. Again, we'll just flick on. There was one. Nope. Was this a 3-0? There, there, bang. You know, you've got a 3-0 going through here. There's flip BB band here. So what you might say to yourself again here, Mickey, is, okay, I'm in, but if Mom flips against me, I'll get out. Because this BB band's flipped down. It's just use a bit of common sense and say to yourself, well, I'm not sticking in losing 6 pips here because of this. I'll just close it and do what Hans doesn't, you know, stop loss. The thing is, Mickey, what that momentum stop loss strategy will do, it will give you total control of his stop loss. Okay, and if you know the most you can lose is 2-3 pips, Mickey, you know, your confidence. There are situations here, like I'll show you in a minute. I think it probably will happen here. It'll come back down again, and then go up, right? But what you would have done here, right? What you're doing at the moment here is leaving this to win, letting it lose, and then not going in when it goes again. Now, the way Hans is doing it with control of his stop losses, he's attempting this, getting out, and then when it appears again, he's getting in and winning it. You know, and that's what control of the stop loss will do. So let's see if this is the one. Yeah. You see what I mean, Mickey? So you'd have been in here, out here, and then you're waiting again, and then in again, and you would have won it. Okay, it went 11 pips. you would have won that one. Understand, mate? That's what control of your stop loss will do. Okay, again, here, look at this one. Bang, winner, 3-0, bang, winner. You just have to wait out the period where it's not a 3-0 and say, right, I'll wait for the 3-0s. And honestly, Mickey, if you do this, like I say, you're going to get 4 or 5 trades a day. Now, imagine winning during session as well. You know, now imagine winning Garrett a minimum 30 pips every single day, Mickey. How long do you think it will be before you'll say to yourself, right, let's get me up, get my lot size up? Eh? It's not going to be that long, is it? You're going to keep upping it. Excuse me, upping it, upping it, upping it, upping it. There's another one here. Look, comes back. Even this one here. You know, yeah, you say it might. Was that? Oh, that was the one I wanted. No, yeah, you say it. Momentum turned on you a bit there. You might have got out, but then you were back in because you're back in here. You might want to use HA yellows like other members are doing, but for me, it's all about these 3 lines here. Or HA BB bands flipped. HA BB bands. Okay, right. Said it'd be a shorter video than normal, guys, and that's what I plan on doing. Look here, bang, you would have won that one. It was a 16 pip move down, that initial one there, so you definitely won a 6 pipper in there. You definitely won a 6 pipper there. Okay, this is a good example of what I was talking about earlier. You see, it's not in between the lines, not touching the first line, okay, and it's not in the HABB band, right? But look at the numbers. Now, if my advice to you, Mickey, if you haven't got either the lines or the HABB band, leave it and wait, okay, until you get some wins under your belt, Mickey. Okay, and then you'll start seeing things like this. And this is how you scalp, you know, how to properly scalp, because you're in total control, mate. Total control of your stop loss. Another one here for you now. See, you would have taken this one, Mickey, because it's right on the BB band and it's on the line, and you would have won that one. 38. Went to about 48, so you probably would have won that one, yeah. This one, 84. 74, another 10 pipper there, so again, you probably would have, very likely you would have won those two. Okay, let's go and look a bit more. Yeah, definitely now. Bang, bang. Okay, so 3-0s again there, Mickey, and you know, Mickey, look, you're still in session and you've had plenty of 3-0s. You waited for the 3-0s. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the GU. Right, you might trade 2 pairs, so you know you could have been trading this one here, so you might have had 1, 2, 3 on the UCAD, or you could have had these here, 1, 2, 3 there as well. Okay, all right, so that kind of was, you know, this, I'm just showing the session as well. After session, you know, they can just go and go and go. Reversals, look, another one here, Mickey, bang there, one on the GJ UCAD, one on the UJ there, 3-0s. Right, this is a Monday, right, and because it's a Monday, 6 pippers easy, right? On other days, the volume's higher. You might say to yourself, well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to go for 8 pips. You know, it's entirely up to you, Mickey, but what I want to see from you and Rocky in particular this week is consistently winning. Okay, so at the end of the day, I want you to say, right, 5-1, 5-0. You know, things like that. You just let me know, and then I'll know that you're doing it right, that you're just going for the 3-0s. Eventually, they will turn around, guys. You get periods like this here. You see it? Well, that's a 2-1 down with a golden ticket setup. That one there. Eventually, Mickey, you'll be taking things like that. This one here, right, with a golden ticket setup, but you didn't have a 2-1 up. There's no way either of these were a 2-1 up. right? So you didn't take them. Fact, that there was a 3-0 down. Okay? Uh, let's just go back and have a look at that UJ. Here. Was it? It was very close, that, to a 2-1. Which would have been that one there. You could have left it alone, right? Because, after big moves, sometimes these just go, like we saw on Friday with the GU. It just kept going and going and going. And this is why I say, excuse me, you guys should leave the 2-1s unless you're absolutely, until you are so confident that you keep winning. Because again, Mickey, you could have taken this 2-1 on here, right? But with the momentum flip stop loss strategy, right? Because it turns red again here, and your trade hasn't won. You just get out because it could come down like that. But because you're in here, momentum on the next candle, boom, probably won on the third candle there. In fact, 89, 83, it wouldn't have been far off there. Maybe a bit higher there. All right, but you could have ignored that, right, and just said to yourself, no, I've just got to keep going with everything else, because you probably won that one, you would have won that one there, right? And then this was a 2-1, so you wouldn't have attempted that. It was a 2-1 either way. You would not have attempted that. Okay, even this one here now, no, because it's a 2-1 against. Do you understand, Mickey? So he's keeping you out by just saying to yourself, no, 3-0s only. Okay, let's go on. Quickly flip through this. That was a 3-0. You would have taken that instead. Okay? This, then, was a 3-0 here. You understand, Mickey? That one there, 3-0. GJ, that there, 3-0. Look here, bang. Do you understand, Mickey? And if you just say to yourself 3-0s only, right, you'd have stayed away from this one when it was mucking around here. You'd have stayed away from the GU when it was mucking around here. Right? The only ones you could have traded was that 3-0 down there. Was it 3? Yep, 3-0 down there. And that 3-0 up there. You understand, Mickey? Rocky? You just stay away from anything that's not a 3-0. You become mechanical, and you will see these trades, and eventually, yes, you'll be looking at the 2-1s, but you need consistency, mate, and 3-0s will make you consistent. They'll make you mechanical. Okay, there's your first GU 3-0, by the way. Look, pull back, bang here, bang. First 3-0. Okay. Not sure that was a 3-0 at the time. I think it might have been, but that one definitely was. Look, bang. Do you want, Mickey? I hope you and Rocky are paying attention here, because you'd have kept away from that period there and just waited for your 3-0s. Yes, you've got to be patient, but let's make this mechanical and make you confident. This is what winning does. It gives you the confidence to keep taking the 3-0 trades. Okay. Excuse me. Look, GJ again here. Look, 3-0. Bang. Yes, you might have been in here. Oh, momentum flips against you. Don't let it lose 6 pips. Just get out and wait. Bang. You lost. You didn't even lose anything there. That was probably break even. Wait for the yellow again. Boom. Winner. 3-0 winner. Okay, look at this. You're thinking up here, right? It's a 2-1. No, if you say 3-0s, you're not in this up. In fact, if anything, no, you're not looking down, no. Okay, you're just not in it. Alright, this one here, never got a white. Could be out. It is a 3-0 down. Again, it's 1 hour orange line. You might have just said, well, I'll stay away from that. That is Sergeant Pippa's Bane, by the way, Let's have a quick look what happened there. Yeah, well, you could have attempted it. Bomb flips against you. Get out because it's the 1 hour orange line. You understand? Okay. You could have looked elsewhere, but that's late in after session anyway. Let's move on to tomorrow. What do we say? Tuesday, don't we? I'll be as quick as I can, guys. You know, I don't do short videos, but I am trying. Again, you come in the room. Look at the yellows. Not easy to read, but you're not bothered about it. You're looking for free nails now. Okay, again, you know, you've had breakouts, rule twos in on all time frames in one direction or another. Okay, down here on the GU by the looks of it. Have you got a 3-0? Yes, just here now. Maybe that was as well. One flips on you. Again, 1 hour orange line. Pain, pain, I hate it. Whoa, I think that's BT, that. Just setting his clock. Did we have 3-0s elsewhere? Yeah. This 3-0 there. 3-0 there again. You know, they're not quite touching the line, and they're not far off the BB bands here. But again, look at the numbers. Look at the numbers, guys. That's why these win, because of the size of the numbers. Basically, what these mean here is when it's 14, 13, 14, 15, right? Hell of a lot of people selling the GJ. Hell of a lot of people are selling the UJ. That's what it means. Okay. GU, Lepipi's smudge. Now that's why it's struggling. You have to wait for it to break. All right. And again, now 1, 2. You've got a 3-0, but you know, when you've got open lines like this here, even the you know the UCAD here, right, or a choice between the 3, 4 pairs. Stay away from the one that's doing that. Let it open up, guys. It will eventually open up. Then you can trade the 3-0s. All right, Mickey. Right, let's crack on. Oh, 3-0 there. Bang here. Easy winner. Okay. Yep, you can say the GU's a 3-0, but again, it goes back to that fact that it's smudged at the moment. Just let it make its mind up, what it wants to do. You see, you know, I mean, you had a choice here of a 3-0 down on the GU, or this one here. There. Take the one where the lines had opened up. Bang, winner. This one here, 3-0. 85.69, easily got a 6-pick winner in there. Rocky, Mickey. Okay. Even that one down here, I think that 3-0 down there. Let's have a look. It's above. It was above the psychological number, and it went to 86. So yeah, you definitely would have won one there as well. Okay. And you see now, look, line changing colour. What I would have advised people, if your line, HA line, is in the middle of the BB bands like this, right? It means that these are smudged here. These EMAs are smudged. Just avoid that pair until it opens up. Okay, you can see this one right down here, this one up there, this one up there. The crystal clear there, telling you which way to go. Okay, 3-0s basically. All right. Was that a 3-0? If that was a 3-0, winner. That wasn't a 3-0, so you didn't take that trade down. This was a 3-0, winner. Okay. All right. Now look, BB band's dropping below the line here. That's clearing up. It's clearing up. You might even have taken this one here now. Okay, and I'll bet it's not far off a winner, that. 20, so about 19 to 14. Yeah, close. Close. But again, you know, you probably didn't take it because it wasn't clear at the time. Okay. Yeah, see. Let it clear up. Right. Nope. Yep. 3-0. Bang. There. You see it? That's not 3-0. So you wouldn't have taken this. Okay. This GU. Right. You could have taken this one because it's a clear 3-0. The lines have opened up. Right, so you might be in this one. You might have won this one. Let's go 16, 21. Probably not won yet. Let's see if it goes a bit more. It went down to 11, so yeah, you probably won that one. Okay. Yeah. All right. Here's one, Mickey. Right. You attempted this one here, right? Momentum flips. Get out. Why? Blue, blue. That's all you have to think, because the blues are there, Mickey. Use the mom flip strategy, you know. And if you'd have got out here, Rocky, uh, Mickey, right, that probably at the very most cost you 2 pips. You know, you might. In fact, I don't even think it did. I think it was break even. You know. Okay. Right. Where are we? Let's move on. Yep. Broke below now, so could be going. Ooh, there's a 3-0 there. Look at that one. See how it opened up eventually? Mickey, you've just got to wait for the 3-0s. Bang, you would have won that one. These have turned now. 1, 2, 3-0 again. You know, this one and this one here, right? They're not in the lines. You might say to yourself, well, no, they've got to be in the lines. But it is because of the high numbers on the momentum. Look at the numbers here. Look at this here on the Jappy Mum. Okay, just one other thing, Tabby, if you're watching this video, the reason, again, that this is opposite to these is because this is the Jappy Mom alone, the Japanese Mom. It's not linked to a pair, it's the Japanese index. Okay, look how the JPY is second here, second there, and that's why it's opposite. Okay, now if you look at the GBP, look, GBP is before the USD, and that's why the GBP index Mom is the same. Okay, the same here. This is the CAD. CAD is second, and that's why the CAD Mom is opposite to the USD CAD. Okay, right. Just cleared that up for Tabby. Again, he had another 3-0 here. Would that one probably away below? Yeah, probably to 98 by the looks of it. Let's flash on quickly. 3-0. There. Okay, there's that one there again. It's up to you whether you take these, Mickey, Rocky. You know, it's up to you. It's got to be, you know, about the momentum. It's got to be double figures momentum if you're going to risk these. If not, just wait. Okay. Nope. Didn't take that, even though it's a flipped up 5-minute BB man. You didn't take it because it would have been a 2-1 against. It's again, that's another thing that's up to you. Whether, you know, I know these first flips usually work, but whether you take it or not is entirely up to you. All right. What do we have there? That might have been that might have changed because of this strong move here, so that might have been the opposite. Okay, right. Yeah, you saw that one. Quickly flicking on. 3-0. First 3-0 there. Look. Bang. First 3-0. Here, look. Bang. Yes, you didn't do much trading here, Mickey, Rocky, but you got an absolute winner there. That one, winner there. Another 3-0 here, look. Bang. That, if you make your trading mechanical and say to yourself, well, I'm only trading 3-0, so, you know, like Hans is doing, then your chances of becoming mechanical and winning every day are huge. All right. So again, Tuesday, be as quick as I can, guys. I keep saying it. Unfortunately, you know, I get carried away. Wednesday, just gonna go through them quickly now. So you see them again. We come in. GU's a mess. Okay, let it, you know, open up. Look at these two chappies. You know, and look what they've been doing. 3-0 bang, 3-0 bang, 3-0 bang. Even this one here probably won. Let's have a look. 91, 78. Yep, that's a 30 pipper. So you would have got 6 pipper. Easy winning there. There's another one here now. Okay. Click on. There you go. Winner. Look. Winner. Winner. 3-0s. Winners. Even this one. Was that 3-0? No, it was a 2-1. So you wouldn't have had that one. Wouldn't have had that one. That was a 2-1 as well. Plus it's messy. The 5 yellows are a big giveaway, guys, when you start seeing that. You know. So all you do is wait until you got crystal clear 3-0s. That was a 3-0 down there. This one, that one, even that one probably came down as well, 3-0. Oh, was that part of that move? Yeah, it was. This one here now. Nope. Look at it. Messy. Right. Oh, look at that. 3-0. Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3-0. No. You know, all you have to do is scan these guys for 3-0s. And the only time to worry is when, you know, you've got blues that might change it. But again, if you're only looking for 3-0s, those blues will do a job, right? But those blues, if you just say to yourself, when a blue's against you 3-0, right, I'll use momentum stop loss strategy, right? That's the only time you really need to use that momentum. When you've got crystal clear, open 3-0s, like you know, GJ and UJ here, right? There's no blues on 15. Okay, the GJ's got one, but it's really, really strong, right? These generally win, and because you're only after 6 quick pips, my oh my, guys, like look from 8:30 here, right? All right, this might have been a 2-1, so you didn't take that. That was a 3-0. 1, 2, at least 3 already, right? In the first hour and a half, maybe. Okay, just on one pair, right? You know, you've got till 5 o'clock on this clock here, 5 p.m. on this clock here. You've got another, you know, 7 hours, is it? 6.5 hours trading. 7 hours trading, you know, to get a few more. Okay, and the good thing with 6 pips is it worked really well in after session. Another one here, look, bang, 3-0. Another one there, bang, 3-0. GU, was that down a 3-0? Yeah. You know, you might have left it again because the fact that it's, you know, breaking these orange lines. You just, you know, if you have a choice between things like this, guys, you go with the flowers. On this particular day, I'd have been focused here with these. Okay, right. Another 3-0 winner there. Another 3-0 winner there. Look, messy, but yeah, messy because it wasn't a 3-0 down. It might just have been. Again, if you're stuck on this one here when these are doing this, then you really need to start thinking a bit more logical, guys. Well, you know, you just stay away from it until it's made its mind up. Basically, become 3-0s. What did we have here? Yeah, you might have attempted this one here. Okay, and not got you winning, but then one flips, you just get out. Okay, did we have a blue? Yeah, there's a blue there. All right, attempt it again here. There you go. X1. Look at GJ. Look, bang, winner. Again, a winner. 3-0 down here, first 3-0 now. Whoa, is that me looking around with the charts? I think I've just put something else on there. Let's see. Could have been me, that guys. Yeah, it was. Sorry. Where was it? That one, wasn't it there? 3-0. I think. Lost track now. Anyway, let's quickly flick on. Yeah, again, you see what the yellows and the 15 blues are doing, the flip BB bands, it's mucking it up, right? But you had 2 very clear running pairs there. Right, 1, 2, 3 nil. Might have attempted that one. That one. This one here. Mob number's huge again. Quickly flick on. Yeah, Wednesday looked a bit blur, to be honest with you, apart from the Jappy pairs. Alright, anyway. You see what I mean, Mickey? You know, you can, you know, just be mechanical. You can trade 3 nils very, very easily. If you just trade the 3 nils alone, Mickey, then eventually you will win your day because the 3 nils win. Okay, become mechanical. Let's have a look what we're getting here. GU 3 0 winner. Not that one there. You had to ignore that one. But what you did was when that pulled back, 3 0. Okay, it's like here, you ignored this one. I think there was some big news. Yeah, there was this day. I remember this one. Yeah. Excuse me. You ignored this one, but then when it pulled back here, it was a 3 0. There. Oh, excuse me, guys. Yep, these were not 3 nils. Alright. Move on again. No, that wasn't a 3 0. 3 nils again now. One here, one here. Look, 3 0. 3 0. See how these go on. Right, so you might have had to bail here. Look, momentum would have been on that candle there, so you just get out. Right, let's have a look at this one. In, probably didn't win. Momentum on that candle, get out. Alright, and wait. You just get out and wait for the next setup. Okay. What have we got here? 3 0 here. Now. This line, you can see it flickering. It wants to turn red, so a 3 0 here. Down. Yeah, another attempt at 3 0 up here, and quite possibly a 3 0 down here as well. Let's just see what happened there. Right. That one seems to go a little bit more, so it depends on when you got in there. But, well, it wasn't a 3 0 neither. That had changed and the line was green there. This one was a 3 0. Bang, winner. Okay, what for? This is a 3 0. Here's your 3 0 entry point now. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 0 here. And as I say, if you just wait for the momentum, guys, you know, generally they give 6 pips. Come on. Generally they give 6 pips with momentum. I'm not sure. You probably would have got out a bit with momentum, but back in again there. Another 3 0 here. Is this a 3 0 now? Yep. Yep. You see how you waited that for a 3 0? Bang. So you've got a 3 0 here now. GJ, I think with the DX being in control, GJ is struggling a bit at the moment, but I would still say no, it's 2-1. You can't take it. Leave it. Probably won. Definitely won. That one didn't, but you had plenty of time to get out. Okay. And as we said, that's not a 2-1 anymore. That's not a 3-0 anymore. This isn't a 3-0 anymore. Because of that as well. Actually turned to a 3-0 up. Bang. Alright, this one's still at a 2-1. Leave it alone. 3-0. There. 3-0. There. Okay, do you understand, Mickey? You would have ignored that trade down there because it wasn't a 3-0, but this one and this one you would have taken. Okay, you would have ignored that trade up because it wasn't a 3-0, but pulls back here. 3-0. Okay, attempted it here, got out. Attempted it here, got out. Attempted it here, won. Attempted it here, won. Attempted it here, won. That's all it is, Mickey. This way, I think, you know, that Hans is doing it at the moment is going to give you the confidence to keep trading because you're in total control of your stop loss, mate. Let's have a look. Again, went a bit messy. Was that 3-0 down? Doubt it. I think that would have changed. So, oh, 3-0 up there. Was this a 3-0? No, that was probably down because of this move here. And, GJ, look, lines hugging. Not the best of days, this. When was it? The Thursday? Yeah. Very messy. I wonder what after session was like. Oh, yeah. After session, it cleared up. They became crystal clear 3-0s. Probably a 2-1 here, and then that was definitely a 3-0. 3-0, 3-0. That might have been just a 3-0 there. Okay. So another fast forward. Oh yeah, you see what I mean? Eventually they clear up, guys. If you're prepared to be patient, you'll easily get your trades in. Let's have a look. Yeah, all the way up here. Then that would have been a 2-1, so it was off the table again. This might have been a... No, it wasn't. You can see it there. No. These stayed 3-0s. Yeah. Bang, bang. That last one there. And GJ. Eventually they will clear up, right? Last day, which was the Friday. Again, probably came in the room. It was a bit messy. Let's have a look. Oh, you'd had some news. Again, the news bugs it up for a while, guys. You just have to let the news settle down and the market settle down after the news. Okay. 3-0. 3-0. 3-0. 3-0. 3-0. 3-0. Fast forward again. Ooh, 3-0. Ooh, 3-0. You've seen that one. Ooh, 3-0. 3-0. Fast forward again. Ooh, look at this. Mickey, 3-0. 3-0. Is this a 3-0? Yep, 3-0 there. 3-0 there. Oh, look, 3-0. 3-0. Okay, so, if you could just stick to this, and when you get to that period, like even here, Mickey, if you've taken this and mom turned on you, right? There's no blues, but you did break the 4-hour BB band, Mickey. This is a bit like that situation when you had the other day when you break, like 4-hour BB band and these, right? It's a massive, massive time frame. All right, Mickey. So at this point here, instead of letting this lose, you should have been thinking, "Mom flip," and I'm out. Okay, so you might have been in here. There it is, mom flip. Get out. Get out because of that BB band break. Okay. All right, mate. So Mickey, Rocky. To me, I think if you start looking for just 3-0s and start off with something small like say 6 TP. If there's a lot of volume, mate, you can push it to 8, right, easily. And then you're just starting out. You need consistency, and this is the best way to do it. Mechanical if trading, go with the flow. Okay, and at this point here, when this happened and you lost, right, you definitely never had another 3-0 up. That wouldn't have been a 3-0 up there. In fact, it wasn't. You can see it there. That's it there. Right, so you wouldn't have attempted that up there, Mickey. If anything, you'd have been waiting for that down there because then that became a 3-0 down. Look, 1, 2, line red, 3, bang. Do you understand, Mickey? So at that point where you lost that trade, even though it cost you next to nothing, right? You went go with the flow till you lost, right? Big time frame, BB band break, and it turned, and you started looking for 3-0s again. You understand, mate? And that's it. That's it. And I think if you do this, Mickey, and you Rocky, right, I think I honestly believe that this will be, the making of you. It's certainly the making of Sergeant Pepper, guys, because he doesn't reverse now unless he's got a 2-1. Yeah, he throws the odd trade in every now and again, and sometimes he's lucky. But you know, it's kind of stopped him reversing at the wrong time. All right, quick flip through again. Look at it after that. Then look at it after that. Mickey, bang, 3-0, 3-0 here. Huge numbers again for it to go there. Okay, 2-1. Might have missed all that. Right, but then look at this one here. 3-0, bang. All right, Mickey, Rocky. You know, I hope this helps. You know, you can see him again. Look, 3-0 here. You know, I hope it helps again. You know, look at this setup here. 1, 4, 8 signals and a 2-1. Very likely that's going to win. But eventually, you know, you'll be able to see things like that, Mickey. It's like this period here now, when it's mucking about. You might have attempted either one of these down and had to get out. You know, it's just the safest way to do it. If you're ever unsure, because that's there, you just say, right, okay, then mum flips on me, I'm out. Oh, I'm out. All right. You know, it's just it will give you the confidence to keep trading. That's basically what I'm trying to say here. You know, look, your first 3-0s here. That one in particular there, 3-0. And again, this period here, you know, you might have attempted this one up if it was still a 3-0, but then you're out. Right, now it's no longer a 3-0 up, it's now a 2-1 down, so you can't trade it until it becomes either a 3-0 down or a 3-0 up. You know, it's going to keep you out of this period. Same here, you would have probably been out of this period because at some point the HA label would have turned up here and stops you trying to trade it down again. That's why I like the 3-0s. And there, you see, you were ready for that one up then. Why were you ready for that one up? Because it was a 3-0 again. Doesn't matter what direction, it became a 3-0 up. Okay, this one here, you might have had this one, look, down here, there, 1, 2. Definite 2-1, but, you know, might have been a 3-0. If not, this is your first trade, because that's a 3-0 there. Okay, you're approaching your first 3-0 here. That might even be it here. You know, this one. Let's just have a look on them. Okay, so we'll say it wasn't because you would have had to go out. Okay, well, yeah, that was the basically a week, Mickey, and I've shown you kind of what to do there, mate. If you just say to yourself, "No, I'm only trading the 3-0s," then that period where it's our turning point, you're going to be lucky. You know, your most you'll lose is a few pips because your mindset is, okay, if momentum flips on me, I'm going to get out because I'm just not sure at this point, right? But again, then that can turn into 3-0s in the opposite direction, and that's when you start trading again, Mickey. You know, this is what I mean when I say go with the flow till you lose, and then go with the flow till you lose. It's mechanical. You're becoming a mechanical trader, and you're going to win every day. Okay, and that's what it's all about at the end of the day. If you can win every day for a week, your confidence will go through the roof. All right, Mickey, Rocky. All right, guys.